Baking soda is one of the most affordable and useful items you might already have in your kitchen. This simple white powder costs just a few dollars but can help with many health problems that seniors face every day. While modern medicine has given us many wonderful treatments, sometimes the simplest solutions are sitting right in our pantry. Baking soda has been used for generations to address common health issues, and today's seniors can benefit greatly from these time-tested remedies. Before trying any of these solutions, please talk to your doctor first, especially if you have heart problems, high blood pressure, or kidney issues. Baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, is a natural compound that balances acid and base levels. It was discovered in the late 1700s and has been used in American homes since the 1840s. People have used it for cooking, cleaning, and health remedies for nearly 200 years. Baking soda works because it can neutralize acids and absorb odors. It also has mild antiseptic properties that can fight certain types of bacteria and fungi. These properties make it useful for addressing many health concerns without harsh chemicals. Health problems and baking soda solutions. 1. Acid reflux and heartburn. Baking soda can quickly neutralize stomach acid that causes painful heartburn. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda into half a glass of water and drink it slowly. This solution works within minutes to reduce the burning feeling in your chest and throat. Don't use this remedy more than once a day, and never for more than 2 weeks straight. People with high blood pressure should avoid this solution because of its sodium content. If your heartburn happens often, please see your doctor instead of relying on baking soda. 2. Joint pain and arthritis discomfort. Soaking in a warm bath with baking soda can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. Add half a cup of baking soda to a standard bathtub filled with warm water. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes to ease arthritis pain. You can also make a paste by mixing baking soda with a small amount of water and gently applying it to painful joints. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Scientists believe baking soda may help reduce inflammation by affecting certain immune cells. Many seniors report feeling less stiffness and pain after regular baking soda baths. 3. Urinary tract health. Baking soda can help with minor urinary discomfort by making urine less acidic. Mix a quarter teaspoon of baking soda in an 8-ounce glass of water and drink it in the morning. This may help reduce burning sensations when urinating and ease bladder irritation. Never use this remedy if you have a confirmed urinary tract infection, as these require proper medical treatment. If you notice blood in your urine, fever, or increasing pain, see your doctor immediately instead of trying home remedies. 4. Oral health issues. Baking soda is excellent for oral health and can save seniors money on expensive dental products. To whiten teeth naturally, wet your toothbrush and dip it in baking soda, then brush gently for 2 minutes. For dentures, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda in a glass of warm water and soak dentures overnight to remove stains and kill odor-causing bacteria. To freshen breath, rinse your mouth with a mixture of half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in half a glass of water. The alkaline environment reduces bacteria that cause bad breath. 5. Skin irritations. Baking soda can soothe many skin problems that seniors often face. For itchy skin or rashes, make a paste with 3 parts baking soda and 1 part water. Apply gently to irritated areas and leave on for 10 minutes before rinsing with cool water. For widespread itching, add a cup of baking soda to a lukewarm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. This remedy works particularly well for poison ivy, insect bites, and minor allergic reactions. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize acids on the skin that cause itching and irritation. 6. Foot problems. Seniors often struggle with foot issues, and baking soda offers affordable relief. For foot odor and fungus, soak feet in warm water with 3 tablespoons of baking soda for 15 to 20 minutes daily. This creates an environment where fungus cannot thrive. For painful calluses and corns, make a thick paste of baking soda and water, apply it to the hardened skin, and cover with a bandage overnight. In the morning, the skin will be softer and easier to file down gently. A regular baking soda foot bath also helps reduce swelling and soothes tired feet after a long day. 7. Minor digestive discomfort. Occasional indigestion can be relieved with baking soda. Mix a quarter teaspoon in half a glass of water and sip slowly. This helps neutralize excess stomach acid and can relieve gas and bloating. Do not take more than 7 half-teaspoon doses in a 24-hour period, and don't use this remedy for more than 2 weeks. Long-term digestive problems need proper medical attention. If you're on a low-sodium diet or take certain medications, ask your doctor before using baking soda for digestive issues. 8. Hair and scalp health. Baking soda can help seniors maintain healthier hair without harsh chemicals. To remove product buildup, mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with your regular shampoo and wash as usual. This helps remove residue that makes hair look dull. For itchy scalp, make a paste with 3 tablespoons of baking soda and a little water. Massage gently into your scalp, leave for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. This treatment removes dead skin cells and reduces fungus that can cause dandruff and itching. Many seniors find this gentler than medicated shampoos. 9. Muscle fatigue and soreness. After gardening or exercise, many seniors experience muscle soreness. A baking soda bath can help reduce this discomfort. Add 1 cup of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 30 minutes. The baking soda may help neutralize lactic acid buildup in muscles, which causes soreness. For smaller areas of pain, make a paste with baking soda and water, apply it to the sore area, and cover with a damp, warm cloth for 20 minutes. Regular baking soda soaks can help seniors stay active with less pain afterward. 10. Nail fungus. Nail fungus is common among seniors and can be stubborn to treat. Create a baking soda solution by mixing 2 tablespoons in a basin of warm water. Soak affected nails for 15 to 20 minutes daily, then dry thoroughly. You can also make a paste of baking soda and a small amount of hydrogen peroxide, apply it to affected nails, let it sit for 10 minutes, then rinse off. Consistency is key. This treatment needs to be done daily for several weeks to see improvement. When the discoloration begins to fade and new nail growth looks healthy, the treatment is working. 11. Minor burns and sunburn relief. For minor kitchen burns or sunburn, baking soda can provide quick relief. Make a cold compress by mixing 5 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 quart of cool water. Soak a clean cloth in this solution and gently apply to the burned area for 5 to 10 minutes. Reapply as needed. The alkaline nature of baking soda soothes the skin and reduces pain. Never use this on severe burns, broken skin, or deep burns. These require immediate medical attention. For mild sunburn, a bath with half a cup of baking soda added can reduce pain and prevent peeling. 12. Body odor. As we age, body chemistry changes and traditional deodorants may not work as well. Baking soda makes an effective natural deodorant. After bathing, pat underarms dry and apply a light dusting of baking soda with a powder puff or clean makeup brush. You can also mix baking soda with a small amount of coconut oil to make a cream deodorant. The baking soda neutralizes odor-causing acids on your skin rather than just masking smells. Many seniors find this gentler on sensitive skin than commercial products with alcohol and artificial fragrances. 13. Household allergens. Many seniors suffer from allergies that can be worsened by dust and pet dander in the home. Baking soda can help reduce these allergens. Sprinkle baking soda lightly on carpets and upholstered furniture. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuum thoroughly. This helps remove pet dander, dust mites, and other allergens from your home. You can also put small open containers of baking soda in closets and under beds to absorb odors and airborne irritants. Changing these containers monthly helps maintain a fresher, less allergenic home environment for easier breathing. Important safety considerations. While baking soda is generally safe, it's not right for everyone. People with high blood pressure, heart problems, or kidney disease should avoid ingesting baking soda because of its sodium content. Baking soda can also interact with certain medications, including aspirin, diuretics, and drugs for heart conditions. Signs that you should stop using baking soda include increased thirst, stomach cramps, slow breathing, or swelling of feet and legs. Always dilute baking soda properly when using it internally. Never consume it straight. If you experience any unusual reactions, stop use immediately and contact your doctor. Baking soda offers seniors an affordable way to address many common health concerns without expensive products or additional medications. From easing joint pain to improving oral health, this simple household item has stood the test of time for good reason. By incorporating these safe, gentle remedies into your routine, you may find relief from problems that have been bothering you for years. Remember that while baking soda can help with many issues, it's not a replacement for proper medical care. Always discuss these remedies with your healthcare provider, especially if you have chronic conditions or take prescription medications.